is your class. Public speaking. Pause. The power of pause. You know, the word pause is used mostly in the audio and mega concerts. Pause, DJ pause, Or the word pause is often used when you're watching television at your home and your mom or dad tells you pause, That is where we hear the word pause mostly used. But now I want to teach you how pause affects public speaking. What is the implication of pause? Pause is a halt. Pause is a stop. Did you know that good public speakers, they only know techniques? They have a gist of what we call techniques, and they use the techniques manipulatively. By the end of it all, they deliver a good and a sweet speech. Now, pause, this is a strategic silence. It's not halting. You strategize on how to be silent. Let's say you are giving a speech and saying, ladies and gentlemen, agriculture is the backbone of an economy. We must, as a country, take time and invest our finances into the agriculture sector. By the way, can I tell you something? Agriculture is something worth to be given a lot of time. Thank you so much. It was an honor and pleasure to have you here to listen to me as your speaker. Now, the big deal of the pause is what I'm about to teach you. Number one, time to absorb. Pause gives the audience time to absorb what you are talking about. You cannot be a good speaker and you're just talking like a machine. Have you ever seen the machines that count money? They do it without stopping. They do it faster. Talking is not running. In a marathon, when we have those guys who run in a marathon and the steeplechase, when they are running and sprinting, they don't stop. They rush. They run very fast. But now, in what we call speech delivery, use pauses. Give people time to digest, to absorb whatever you are talking about. Relax. Don't have pressure. Be a relaxed person. Just walk to the podium and say something small. Give some 3 sentences and pause. Relax. And people will be absorbing what you are saying. Another thing that is very key in giving and delivering speech is get rid of fillers. I don't know if you know the word fillers. Fillers means these are unspoken words. These are murmurs and whispers. For example, I went to the market. By the way, many people struggle to do that. They are giving a good speech, but they have fillers inside their speech. You see people struggling on the podium. You're not a good public speaker if your speech is full of fillers. What you lack is pause. Relax. You are not running. You are not rushing. Remember, what you say here is very, very important and key. Take time when giving your speech. Get rid of fillers to show credibility, to show authenticity. We must know that you own whatever that we are saying. Just relax. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure and honor that we have this moment to discuss about youth employment. Many young people, you are very composed. Don't give your speech that is full of fillers. Ladies and gentlemen, really? Are you my student? You're not my student if you're going to do that. Finally, last but not least, pause gives you time to think on the next hint. Did you know that you can be given impromptu speeches? By the way, you can go to a meeting that you were not prepared to talk completely and you're given a chance. Will you say to them that, you know what, I'm not prepared? Relax, relax. Just go and talk calmly. Use the power of pause. Relax, don't rush. By the way, I've never seen an audience saying, our speaker just speaks fast. Time is running. Relax, talk while composed, talk while you are organized. Are we together? Now, my good people, this is very, very key and important in speech delivery. I really want to hope and wish that you have learned something great in the power of pause. Remember, this is your home to learn public speaking. Thank you so much for your time. At a time like this, I'll give you another serious content of public speaking. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and share. Goodbye.